What? Jama.
Oh, Philomena! That long time. Where you there? I didn't Lagos.
You go Lagos?
I didn't go Lagos now.
You got your number.
I didn't even get your number for this my new phone.
Abi, that one this one makes sense. So,
I won't say that more. I won't say this phone.
talk true.
I won't say the phone. I won't say the phone.
5,000.
I won't
Oh,
say
the phone makes sense. So, I don't get money this week. I for buy am. So, I will still there until next week now.
Me, I want to carry side.
Me too. I want go buy peanut.
I don't understand. Oh, why this girl makes sense.
Jesus is Lord.
Boy, this girl
But
don't
that
kill
girl no
me.
be slavery. I tell you, boy. If you go there to beat me, say that will slap you. I go to red.
But maybe say it. I don't say this my phone now. See this fine girl. I will try this
Don't go
girl.
Lagos. Yeah, don't go Lagos.
Boy, I don't say. I don't want to. I don't say my phone. How much will you go say? How much will you carry?
Don't say the phone.
I don't say this phone.
Eh, but me I no money now. I go do. Okay, see, I don't bet the phone. Okay, I don't bet myself. Okay, if you go there, that girl no slap you, carry me go use.
You can be prosecuted for that.
If I no serious, I die.
Are you serious?
I don't serious now.
Stop it, Juju be that.
Hello, baby, what's up?
What's your problem?
Slap this guy now. My carry phone go use. Come on, think that through it.
Jesus.
Oh, go Rondo.
Run.
Jesus.
Alpha, you want run?
No.
Come on, guys.
What do we have this? Jesus.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Neighbor, you get the clothes there?
You mean the clothes?
Ah,
Then now.
bring come on.
Hey, I hear me to me.
See, that all the clothes like get for us this.
Ebo.
Ah,
Jesus.
you want just let me clean. Fine, then you clean. Don't worry. Say that.
I don't worry too much. If you come, I get plenty clothes.
Don't worry. I check it out. We don't get ourselves. Stop her! Oh boy, you get the clothes there? I won't give this guy making hear me wash.
You don't bring your kid home.
I don't bring come home.
Jesus.
But this is what you want to use your life for. I'm going to do marriage, you know.
Keep on.
Keep on there.
Now what remain? What don't for that say?
Thank you.
Sit down.
Alpha now, wait.
I beg, I don't hungry now.
Come on, you. I will slap. God punish you, say. And maybe your father.
Alpha, never.
Alpha now. Go.
Wait till now you bring laundry to us.
Oh boy, you get the clothes.
Now the clothes for us, the clothes.
Oh boy, bring.
Da. Oh boy, come.
I want this thing now.
Jesus is Lord.
Like today you go wash your.
Thank you. Oh boy, thank you. Do up. Thank you.
This one, see.
Thank you.
Sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
No, na me fuck up.